Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. We're here at the Holley High Voltage Experience in Sonoma, California. And this is Watson. I've been building it the last 3 years in my garage. This has got a rear Tesla drive unit. The body is from a K-1 Attack. It was originally designed for a Honda Accord, 1997 Honda Accord drivetrain. I chose a Tesla Model S rear drive unit. I've still got the blue under my fingernails from painting. So this is fresh paint as of like 2 days ago. Yeah, so steel tube frame chassis, fiberglass panels. I had to do custom welding to kind of attach the subframe for the Tesla subunit. Brembo brakes in the front, standard Tesla Brembos in the back. There will be a future build, but this one has wiped me out.